Hey guys, this is Adam with TAT Express, and on this channel we go over everything about semi-trucks, whether it's maintenance, repair, or troubleshooting. Make sure to subscribe to us and turn on that notification bell so you know next time we release another video.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Okay, so how much does a DD15 turbo replacement cost? I'm going to tell you right now, it's not cheap. So it's very important that it's troubleshot correctly. Most of the time when I hear turbos are being replaced, it's because oil is coming out of the cold side or the boost side of the turbo. I'm going to tell you one thing, that's not a reason why to change your turbo. The reason why oil is passing over is because the oil pressure on the oil side of the turbo is greater than the boost pressure. Now you ask, how can that happen? In some cases it can happen during idle, okay? Of course we all know you're not creating any boost at idle. So in some cases the oil pressure is going to be greater than the boost pressure and oil is going to pass over. That's a reason why you're going to get oil coming out of your turbo. Another reason why is a clog return line. Oil coming from the engine is being supplied to the turbo and it gets drained back into the engine block through this hose. If this hose is restricted, what's going to happen is it's going to fill the turbo up with oil and pass oil over onto the boost side or the cold side of the turbo. That's another reason you can get oil coming out of your turbo. Another reason is restricted air filter. If you have a dirty air filter or a clogged air filter due to water or ice, this turbo is going to be trying to suck air from that filter, and if it's restricted, of course, it's going to end up sucking air from the oil side of the turbo and passing oil to your boost side or your cold side of your turbo. That's going to be another reason. Another cause of your oil pressure being greater than your boost pressure is a major boost leak. If you have a CAC leak or a major boost leak, what's going to happen is, of course, as I mentioned, your boost pressure is going to be low and your oil pressure is going to be high, and you're going to end up passing oil over to your turbo. We did a video on how to find boost pressure or boost leaks on your truck. I'm going to link that above so you can check that out. Okay, so another reason oil could pass over to your turbo is high crankcase pressure. You want to make sure your crankcase filter is being serviced on a regular basis. If it's not being serviced, you could have high crankcase pressure because of the engine not being able to breathe like it's supposed to, and it's going to end up pushing oil into your turbo and causing, of course, that false diagnostic there. Not all the time the crankcase filter will cause the high crankcase pressure, but that's one thing you want to check if you do have high crankcase pressure. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why you want to make sure you go to the right shop, troubleshoot it correctly before spending that $4,000 to $4,500 to replace a turbo and may have the same problem. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something. Make sure to subscribe to us. Turn on that notification bell so you know next time we release another video. Also, if you have a question about your truck, leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to help. So until next time, be safe.
I came from the mud, there's